I was born with HIV, and this can be quite an isolating place, particularly in Wales, as there are about 20 or less young people that were born with HIV living here, which means that it's hard to find access to support services and have an understanding of what it feels like and talk about it. When I got to about 16, I realised that this is actually something that I really need to be able to speak about in order to challenge my own self-stigma, but also the stigma out there, and be who I wanted to be and needed to be. And I got involved with a charity called Chiva, and I met other peers from across the country, and with them I began to campaign and look to give a bigger voice for young people living with HIV. Met people like Elton John, Graça Michelle, Prince Harry, and I've been able to grow in my confidence and speak to people who are big, influential people about my own experiences, which is something I never thought I would do. I've been able to speak to MPs, do speeches in the House of Lords, I've spoken in Downing Street, and I've been able to speak to policy changers and people from big companies in order to influence the way in which young people live with HIV in the UK.